You know what I love more than a beautiful fragrance? One that's absolutely free. So Just Breathe Fragrances is officially announcing the December contest where you can win a free bottle of Guerlain's latest release, Shalimar L'Essence, and this is one of my top 5 all-time favorites. Let's talk a little about the contest. Alright, welcome to Just Breathe Fragrances. On this show, we've experienced thousands of fragrances across every category to bring you honest, insightful, and unbiased reviews, interviews, and so much more so you can smell your absolute best in every moment that matters. Before I get into the contest, if you haven't already checked out the full review of Guerlain's Shalimar L'Essence, I'm going to link that up here. This is a beautiful iris and vanilla fragrance that's elegant. It just screams quality. It shot to my top 5 as soon as I smelled it. It's gorgeous. All right, so let's talk a little about this contest where you can win a free bottle of this absolutely gorgeous fragrance. So first of all, obviously you must be a subscriber. There's tons of reasons why you would want to be a subscriber. I do these subscriber Saturdays every Saturday where you get a live fragrance consultation. That's been tons of fun. But in addition to being a subscriber, you gotta like this video, the giveaway video, okay? In addition to that, you've gotta comment your favorite winter fragrance and why you like it. There's so many good ones. For me, I think my favorite is also by Guerlain. It may be Honey Tobacco. Also, you've got to share this video to at least one social media platform and tag Just Breathe Fragrances. We're on every social media platform: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everything. Bonus entries are given out for every friend that you tag that's also a fragrance lover. So you could rack up tons of entries into this contest just by subscribing, liking the video, commenting what winter fragrance that you like best and why, and then sharing this video to every social media platform and then tagging friends that like fragrances as well. So there's people that are going to probably get dozens upon dozens of entries. Now, we'll be tracking this all the way up to January 1st, and on January 2nd, that Friday, we're going to go ahead and announce the winner. Once again, if you haven't already checked out the full review of Guerlain's Shalimar L'Essence, I'll link that right here. But just trust me, this is an absolutely beautiful fragrance. Out of over 3,000 sample bottles I've got here at the house, 400 plus full bottles, this is in my top 5, and I don't think it's going to be dethroned anytime soon. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can get yours completely free by following the rules of this contest and staying tuned into the channel. With that, we're going to also post the rules in the community tab here on YouTube. So good luck, and this is the first of many. We'll have another contest probably in January. I'd like to do one every single month. We'll see how this one goes. But good luck in winning your bottle of Guerlain Shalimar L'Essence. And as always, remember, a great scent doesn't just smell good, it says something. So choose what smells right for you and just breathe.